Hey Cachers, Derek here. Today I have a very special announcement you don't want to miss. So I'm out here at Fort Moultrie here on Sullivan's Island shooting an episode, but not for Behind the Cache. I'm actually shooting an episode for the Nano Kids. Now, y'all have seen Nikki and Curtis, my kids, caching with us, and a lot of people have said, you know what? They need their own channel. Well, you know what? They have their own channel now, and it's called the Nano Kids, and here is their trailer.
Hi, it's Nikki, SW Dancer, and Curtis Cam25474, and together we are the Nano Kids. On our channel, we encourage kids and families to get out of their house and geocache. And the way we do that is by giving out monthly challenges to find certain caches or certain caches in certain locations. To be able to win our monthly Geo Challenge, send us a picture or video on our email as listed below. We will choose a random winner at the end of the month. Good luck on your Geo Challenge, and remember to always cache with an adult. Be safe and enjoy your geocaching adventure.
So there it is, everyone. Their channel called the Nano Kids. Hey, please do me a favor. Go to their channel right up here. Click on it. Go and subscribe because you don't want to miss their adventures and challenging families to get out there on their adventures. Now, as we go, click over here on one of these other videos and stay on and check out some of our other family adventures right here on Behind the Cache.